Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another great budget gaming PC build capable of 1080p and 1440p gaming at high frame rates. We've used the very popular NZXT 510 flow case with the Ryzen 5 5500 CPU, RTX 3060 Ti GPU and ASUS TUF Gaming B550 motherboard. This combo results in an excellent price to performance ratio. We've also added some stunning 140mm NZXT RGB case fans and the underglow RGB light strips. The result is absolutely stunning. Check the video description to see all the parts used in this build. Sit back and enjoy. We start by installing the Hikvision NVMe, Corsair Vengeance RAM, CPU and CPU cooler. The ASUS TUF Gaming B550 motherboard offers a good combination of features at a reasonable price. It has PCIe Gen 4, 2 NVMe drives, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. We always recommend using an NVMe drive as your boot drive, as this will improve boot and loading times considerably. Next, we mount the I/O plate and install the motherboard. Next, we install the NZXT RGB case fans. The case fans and RGB underglow light strips will need to be connected to the NZXT RGB fan controller. This will allow us to control the fan and RGB lighting profiles in the NZXT Cam software. The fans and light strips need to be daisy-chained. Installing the Corsair 650 watt power supply. This is a 80+ bronze unit and is semi-modular. Time to install the heart of any gaming PC, the graphics card. We went for the Nvidia RTX 3060 Ti, and the performance might surprise you. Not only does the 3060 Ti generally outperform the previous generation 2080 Super, but it also offers a lower power draw at an affordable price. We chose the Galax non-RGB version to reduce the cost. This graphics card has one HDMI and 3 DisplayPort outputs. Replacing the rear fan with a NZXT 120mm fan and installing the NZXT RGB underglow light strips. And we're all done. We are really happy with the results. If you agree, comment below. The NZXT 510 flow case offers excellent airflow and as a result gives us great thermals even under heavy workloads. Don't forget to like and subscribe.